How to play What I Was Made For by Billie Eilish. This song is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna show you how to play this song first with just an easy down strum pattern, and then I'll show you that little finger picking thing I was doing a second ago. The song is pretty simple because it's all open chords. There's one bar chord, but I'll show you a way how you can avoid it. And the majority of the song is made up with just 3 chords. So it starts with an introduction, which is a C to an E minor to an F. And you can either play that using the bar chord. You could even play it kind of using this F major 7 type of shape. Or if you want to, you can make it really simple just by putting your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the G string, and then your first finger goes on the 1st fret of the B string. And that will work for your F chord. I promise you it will sound okay. The C and the E minor will receive 4 down strums each, and the F will receive 8 down strums. You just play that twice for the intro. And then really easy here, the verse starts the same exact way. We're gonna play that C to E minor to F 3 times, but then on the 4th time, instead of going to the C, we're gonna go to an A minor and then play the E minor and F. So it would sound like this. That was 1. This is 2. This is 3. So we're gonna go to an A minor. A minor, E minor, F. And then that whole progression repeats one more time, and then it will go into kind of like this pre-chorus here. So we're gonna go back to an E minor, and then we're gonna go to a D minor for 8 strums, and then a G for 8 strums. And that will launch us into the chorus. So going from the A minor to the E minor to the F, I'll show you what it would sound like kind of launching into the chorus. So it would go A minor, E minor, F, back to E, D minor, G. So for the chorus, it's pretty much the same exact thing as the verse, other than you're not gonna switch to that A minor to E minor to the F until you've played the C to E minor to the F 4 times. I apologize for the singing that you're about to hear. I'm not a singer, you can't blame me. I don't know how to feel, so I want to try. So there you have it. Once she repeats that someday I might, that's when you go to the A minor instead of the C. So I'll show you something a little bit extra here. If you want to kind of do the finger picking thing, so for the C, what I'm doing is I'm picking the A and the D string, and then I'm picking the E and the B string. And then I move to the E minor. What I'm doing there is I'm picking the top E string and then the A string, and then I pick the B and the G. So together those two would be like this. And then for that F chord, I'm just picking the E, the A, and the G. So all together it would sound like this. And that there is how you play I Don't Know What I Was Made For by Billie Eilish.